Hey YouTubers and airsofters, my name is Logan. This is my first YouTube video of my YouTube channel. Warning, you may hear noise. I got my Rottweiler. But so I go by the call sign Wolverine of BOW. We're based out of Ontario. Some of us Kitchener, Toronto, Waterloo. You know, we like to go to mill sims like Nightfall, Fallen Angel, Risk. We also do scrimmage at Devil Dog. Good stuff. And I'm gonna show you some stuff, my gear, my guns. But today I'm going to show you guys my APS Mark 18 HPA Wolverine build. All right, so let's get started. So this here, this is my Mark 18 It's all metal. This is for the receivers. This is the second build it's seen, and so far, really liking it. Very sturdy, very strong. I got, as you can see, I have quite a few PTS Syndicate things. Thank you. And I got the Wolverine Reaper electromechanical setup in it. Works pretty good. I switched the nozzle and cage to the white nozzle and purple cage. So I hope that that helps out. I haven't really been able to get out to a field, so I don't quite know, nor do I have a chrono. So, but it does shoot, works pretty good. It's all in line pretty well, so it's pretty nice. Sounds good. I shot it at Risk 4 with when it still had the black nozzle and cage, and it worked okay. But definitely can't wait to try it out. I have to refill up my HPA tanks and all that. I run a red line regulator. I like it. Works okay. Got it wrapped in a multicam hydration tube cover, because I really like multicam, but the team color is OD green. But yeah, let's show more on this rifle. So, rifle. I got obviously your PEC 15, your Surefire light. I got it set up because I like holding my rifle with C-grip, C-clamp, or whatever you want to call it. It's very comfortable. Put an extended mag release. It's very comfortable, works great. So let's just quickly here undo one of these pins here, and I'll quickly show you guys the inside. So there you have it. I have the Wolverine Reaper with the white nozzle. I was really happy to get this. It was a big upgrade. Cut down the wire, the airline just comes out of the grip. It's quick detachable. It's very nice. Yeah, it's a very comfortable gun. I did all the PTS stock, the PTS grip, pistol grip there. PTS foregrip, the little shorty. It's even a PTS compensator, muzzle brake, whatever, muzzle device. I got the CAC flip up iron sights, ambidextrous bolt charging handle. Doesn't really do anything. Got my my EOTech